Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl T. Today I'm going to be showing you how I made this humongous roast fish tea cook style. First, you want to start by cleaning your fish. So this is a 12-pounder red snapper. I saw him and I could not leave him alone. So you start by washing or cleaning with lime juice to get rid of, that raw fish smell that you get whenever you buy any type of fish. So I clean him down with some lime. He was so big. Oh my God. Him could have barely fit in any container that I had. So I just had to throw him down in the sink. So you see me here washing, well, not washing yet, but like squeezing the lime juice on there. Then now I'm going to be washing him off. Give him a nice bath. Another lime juice there. Yeah. All right. Off to the side now, I have some pumpkin that I diced up. I'm going to put those to boil until they're like, halfway cooked. Because remember, they're going to be going in the oven. All right, now I have some Maggi fish seasoning because I love Maggi, especially the fish seasoning. So that's what I'm going to be using. But also, I'm using my Spice Jamaica Reggae Blend and garlic herb, a little black pepper. I'm going to be combining all of these, and I'll show you in a sec. Of course, my fish and meat sauce because the cladis of a drizzle in at the fish head. And I didn't have any coconut oil, so I used some extra virgin olive oil, right? Now I'm gonna show you, I chopped up all my veggies or my herbs. You see them there. Chop up all of them. Make sure you have some nice Scotch bonnet pepper to go with this. Some garlic, scallion, onion. And then I have my okra and my sweet corn. Cut it up nice and small because, listen, we're going to dress up this fish. Then I have my fresh callaloo. Yes, this is the star of the show. This callaloo, right? So I got some fresh callaloo from the store. All right, let's make this paste now for the fish. So you're going to use all 3 packets of your Maggi seasoning. Yep, dump it into that bowl. Moving right along, we're going to add in our reggae blend, the Spice Jamaica. Guys, I don't cook without this anymore. It changed the game. Non-GMO and no salt. Here goes the garlic herb blend. But just pour, I didn't really use any measurement, no measuring cup, nothing. Like a black pepper. Take it easy with the black pepper. You just want a dash. Right? Now you're going to use some jerk sauce. Whatever jerk seasoning you have. I had some Walker's Wood, so that's what I used. Just a small portion of it for kind of give it a kick. Because remember, the fish already have pepper from the stuffing. Right? Added some olive oil. And I'm just going to use that to make like a paste, which is going to look something like this. So add the oil until you get this pasty consistency. All right. Let me cook up the callaloo right now. So you're just going to do what you do with your callaloo. I added my callaloo. I love doing it with coconut oil. But like I said, I didn't have any, so I used the olive oil. So basically, I'm just adding in all of my herbs, thyme, onion, scallion, pepper. Like I said, pepper, make sure you have some good pepper. Right? I added my corn, my okra. You can put a little piece of butter in there and just let that steam. You don't want to cook it all the way through. Halfway is fine. Just make sure that it have that flavor that you're looking for. Add some of your Spice Jamaica seasoning in there or your all-purpose. And just deal with it nice. Because this is going to make the fish really yummy because you're going to use this to stuff the fish. So, just make sure, say you deal with it proper. Here I'm adding in the pumpkin, which I love pumpkin and I feel like pumpkin changes the game so much. So I'm definitely always using pumpkin in my callaloo, whether I'm using it as a stuffing or not. So here now, after you clean up your fish, I'm making some slices. On each side, I did 3 on each side because I want to stuff that with seasoning. Remember, this is a big boy we work with, so I have to make sure I say him well sought out. All right. So inside of your fish, you're going to sprinkle some garlic herb blend and just season the fish. So I'm put in my fish and meat sauce in the head because you want this to be bursting with flavor, right? So once you do that with the dry rub, you just wipe on your paste and make sure the fish well sought out. Add in your stuffings. See it there? Look how it look nice. This fish is gonna be off the chain. Just imagine if I had a grill for put this pan. Man, I'm gonna deal with it in the oven though. So after you finish your stuffing process, line them up real nice. Yeah. Add some butter. Kill it with butter because you want it to be super moist. So I added a stick of butter and I just put some inside of the fish, on top of the fish. Then I'm going to wrap him. And you have to make sure so you wrap him properly. Because if not, it's going to be beer leaking and you want it to hold the steam. After that, make sure that everything well proper. I'm going to put him in the oven. And I really and truly not sure how long this is going to take. So it's like a game I play with it right now. So I let it sit there for like an hour and a half to check it, to see what was going on. After an hour and a half, I took him out. Was not yet ready. When I opened it, I noticed that the top was still a little bit hard. So I just cover it back down, put it in there for another. This fish took me a total of 3 hours to make. All right. So once you open it, you test it. You feel like it's soft enough. Listen, I didn't like the way how it came out because it was a little bit dark. So I cooked up some coconut milk. I try a new style and it worked. I did some spice Jamaica in the coconut milk. And I added a little bit of the fish juice that leaked over in the container. Pour a little bit in this. And then added some extra color that I had left over. And I say, you know what? I'm going to use this as a topping because the color look ended up getting really dark at the end. And it never have the green pretty look there. But man, I did not know say I saw color look cooked down in a coconut milk nice. So no could tell me. So I just basically line it on top of the fish, and plated the fish. I cooked some bami on the side. And listen to me. This fish was insane. It was insane. So I called up my girls and I was like, listen, we're going to have girl talk because me alone can't eat this fish. And I've been wanting to do a girl talk video for so long. So I called up my friend Dart and I called up my friend Rochelle. And I'm like, guys, come over. Rochelle brings some lychee martini. She's like, girl, I'm on my way. So she made us some lychee martini. And listen, we have some spicy topics that we're going to be discussing. So if you're not subscribed to Tea Timeline, jump over there and go subscribe. See a little preview. Something to do with like a lot of these relationships not working out?
For sure.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm. For sure.
I think so too.